I'm going to teach you guys how to make $10,000 in one day as a life coach. But before I do that, if your panties just got into a bunch because you're like, oh my God, $10,000 in one day, I want you to think about most of you guys watching this video already. Ew, ew, ew. Piece of hair on my. Most of you guys watching this video already already earn between $4,000 a month and between $4,000 to $6,000 a month. So I want you to get in your mind, you halfway there. You already halfway there as far as the income is concerned, right? So now I'm going to tell you exactly how to make $10,000 in one day as a life coach. Now, are you going to be able to earn this $10,000 in one day for real? Yes, you are. However, you're going to market it prior to that one day, 30 days in advance. This is what I'm saying. How many of you guys have gone through college and have spent $1,000, $1,500, $2,000 on a course? Right? I'm not talking about like you went to like a university, like maybe some continuing education course and you spent over $1,000 for this skill set, for this training, right? So I want you to know that you already have done what I'm telling you to do. So there is your proof that this does happen, okay? So I want you to think about you having a course that costs $1,000, at least $1,000, right? It is your masterclass or your VIP day or whatever. Title it however you want. But it's going to be a day that you give, that you train your people within that day. So you have this training. It costs $10,000 for 30 days. What you're going to do is you're going to post content that pertains to that course, that class, that VIP day. You're going to go live. You're going to teach classes around it. You're going to, in your stories, you're not going to confuse the people. The only thing you are going to be focusing on is the content in your course, not the course itself, not your 4-week purpose-driven or discover your life's purpose in 4 weeks. It's not just the course you're focusing on. It's the content. It's the transformation. So you're actually going to be giving people what's in your course. You're going to give it to them for free at no cost. Like throughout those 30 days, you're going to just be teaching topics around your masterclass, your VIP day. So you take out your calendar and you say from Monday through Friday, you map it out. What days are you going to go live? What days are you going to teach classes? What day or what are you going to post for that day for that day and for that week? The stories that you're going to post in your story or the TikToks or the YouTube videos that you're going to make. You want to stay on topic on this one thing for 30 days. And when you're teaching your classes, you want to let people know that eventually you will be opening up for your X, Y, and Z course. Okay. So say the first week you say absolutely nothing about your course. Say nothing about it. You're just giving content, teaching classes. Then say the second week you come in and you start mentioning your course that's coming up, your class that's coming up. And when you teach, you let people know that if, on such and such date, I'm opening up for X amount of people to come and join my class, my course, my VIP day. So say I'm at the end of teaching a class, right? And at the end of that class, I say to the people, I do give my closing arguments. I give my closing, I don't know why that just came up. I give my closing announcements. And then I say, and also you guys also make sure on November 30th, I'm only taking 12 people into my ... course. You're not selling it to them in that moment. You're just letting them know. So when you do this and you're giving all of that good content away, you're actually helping people in these 30 days, even the people that aren't going to invest in you. for whatever reason, they may not have the money right now, or for whatever reason, even their lives is going to be changed because they're going to be getting this good content from you. You want to make it you want to make the content that's for free as if they would pay for it, literally. So once you teach all of your classes and you get people's attention, you get their attention, what you can do, I'm trying to give you guys the easiest way without systems and all that stuff, like your email list and your sales page, and you're holding space for them. There is another strategy that you can use to gather people's information, to put them on a waiting list. Like all the people, like throughout your classes, when you're teaching, you guys can say, okay, you guys can click the link in my bio to join the wait list. You can do that, or if you just want to do this for the first time straight off of social media without any systems in the background because you don't fully understand them and you like, girl, I don't know how to do that email list and all that stuff. I got you. So you're going to teach your classes, and then you're going to keep letting people know. November 30th, remember you guys, I'm taking 12 people. You want to say the 12 people, like I mentioned in my last video. You want to get people thinking, I want to be one of those 12. I got to be one of those 12 people, right? And so once you do that, and on November 30th, now remember, we're talking about making $10,000 in one day. And remember, you have spent over $1,000 on a class or course. So people do this, right? Yes. Type yes in the comments. Yes. So on November 30th, when you open up for your class, I'm getting goosebumps because, when you open up on November the 30th on your set date, you're going to go live and you're going to be saying, okay, you guys, where are my 12? Where are my 12? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get it. And that is when you open up your sales portal and that $10,000 comes in because you only taking 10 people. Okay, you see, you taking 10 people. The investment is $997. There is your $10,000 in one day. Now, I know some of y'all are thinking that's just too easy. That Angel, there's got to be some Angel. That's it. That's it. I'm telling you. I wanted to keep this video short, concise, straight to the point because this works. I want to say so much more. I'm going to leave it for another video. I don't want you guys to overthink this process. Get off of this video. First, share this video with somebody, but get off of and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and comment below. Do all the things. But get off of this video and go chew, or watch the video over. Go chew on what I just said. You are already the master of your topic. You know it like the back of your hands. You lived it. So now I want you, and some of you guys already have classes and courses already prepared. You just got to get out your own way and start teaching the classes and open up on November 30th and get the people to say yes. But I want you to chew on this, realize how simple it is, and get out there and do it. I'll see you guys in the next video.